Welcome back to our channel. So in this lecture we are going to discuss the topic of digestive system, right? So in that digestive system we will discuss the teeth. Okay, what is that? Teeth. So before to understand the teeth, you just remember few points here. Here, T, E and H. Let me tell you what are these codes. Okay, the first. So what is the origin of the teeth? Here the teeth are origin from the ectomesodermal. What is the E? E stands for the origin from ectomesodermal. So what is the E here? E stands for ectomesodermal origin of the teeth. Okay, and next one. In most of the mammals, even including with the human beings, okay, these teeth are arranged in the socket of the jaw. Okay, so that is known as Tekodant. Here the T stands for Tekodant. Here, what is the meaning of the Tekodant? Here, the Tekodant means in most of the mammals, even including with the human beings, the teeth which are arranged in the socket of the jaw, so that known as Tekodant. Here, the T is clear. Okay, and next one. So, in most of the mammals, especially in human beings, has two sets of the teeth. What are those? The first set of the teeth is temporary teeth, and second one is the permanent teeth. Okay, here the temporary teeth also calling as milk teeth and also calling as deciduous teeth. And especially in case of the permanent teeth, here the teeth are also calling as adult teeth. Here these permanent teeth are formed or replaced in temporary teeth. And next one, so this arrangement known as diphyodont dentition. Here, so the two sets of the teeth, so that one temporary and permanent, so that is known as diphyodont. Clear the point? And next thing is that again the teeth are classified into four types based on their shape and function. Here, what are those? Here, the teeth are classified based on their shape and function. What are those? Here, what are the types? For example, you just remember as a simple code. For example, ICPM square. Okay, what are those? ICPM score. Let me tell you what are those. I stands for incisor and C stands for canines and PM stands for premolars and M stands for molars. So these are the different types of the teeth which are arranged in the socket of the jaw. Let me tell you what are the important shapes of the teeth and here what are the functions. So in case the shape of incisors are chisel shape. Then what is the function? Already name itself saying these are the incisors. They may cut the food, cutting the food or cut the food. And next one, in case of the canines, the shape is like a dagger, nothing but just like a knife shape. So function is that shearing the food. And in case of the premolars and molars, which are helpful for grinding the food. So this type of arrangement we can calling as heterodont dentition. Here clear the points. Here the H stands for heterodont dentition. Let me tell you the important formula. For example, in case adult dentition formula is that 1 2 3 by 2 1 2 3. Okay, here so these are the arrangements. For example, ICPMM. Okay, and next in case of the child dentition formula or milk dentition formula is that you just here same 2102 by 2102. So this formula for the child dentition formula. And one more the point is that in case the molar teeth that are appears in the age of 21, so that are appears lately, so that molar teeth known as wisdom teeth. Okay, what are that wisdom teeth? Here these wisdom teeth which are appears at late, so at the age of 21, after the 21 they may appear, so calling them as wisdom teeth.